India's largest software company, TCS, is set to face a fresh legal battle in the US. Chandra Ranganathan joins us with more details on that. Chandra, what is this case all about and what is the company's response?
That's right. This case actually dates back to 2006 when one of the employees of TCS in US filed a case against the company alleging that the company did not pay him the tax refunds and also deducted amounts from his salary, and that he did not get the salary that he was promised in the US. Now, this case has been going back and forth for the last 6 years. Every year, TCS has moved a motion to dismiss the case and also to move it to India to work out an arbitration settlement here, but it looks like the US District Court in California has dismissed that motion and they have certified this particular case as a class action suit. Now, what that basically means is that any employee of TCS in US, any non-US citizen working between 2002 and 2005 can come forward and file for claims if TCS is indeed found guilty. So it would cover approximately 10,000 employees of TCS in the US. Now, TCS on its part seems quite confident about the outcome of the case. It says that this is only a procedural matter that has come out, that nothing has been said on the merits of the case, and that it's confident that the petitioner's claims are without merit. So clearly, on the face of it, it looks like a serious issue if it snowballs into a class action suit. But TCS for now seems confident that it has a strong case. Analysts we have been speaking to are also confident that this will be a minor issue that can be rectified.